Hello everyone, welcome to back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the GCash verification code not sending problem on your phone. How to fix it? Okay, let's start. First, open your GCash app. See, this is the problem, verification code not sending problem. Okay, first open your Google Play Store app and search bar. Now search here GCash and check on the GCash update. My GCash app already updated. Okay, back. And second step, open your phone settings and scroll down and click on the apps icon, and now search here GCash. See GCash, click on the GCash and scroll down. Now click on the storage and clear check and clear data. Now delete and back and click on the permission option, and now allow all permission. Click on the camera, allow, contacts allow, and location allow, and microphone allow, and music allow, back allow, notification allow, back, microphone allow, and photo video allow, and allow all permission. Go back and now restart your phone and restart your phone. Now restart and again open your phone. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.